In 3, 2, 1. Hey y'all, I'm back for another review. It's called the 2017 triple comparison between, the PSP 1000 MP5 player / PMP portable MP5 4 and 3 player with Game Player Advance, which I like to call it the MP5 PMP player, and of course the PSP or PS Vita Slim 2000. Let's get started. You'll first notice that I moved in order to get the case off, I had to remove the PS Vita, was mainly used for the PS Vita, but it could be used for the PSP 1000 all the way through the 3000. Lanyard strap, keychain. And that's because I wanted to do the thinness comparison, sound comparison, and also screen comparison. So let's boot them all up. Start with this one. Some of them might have different volumes on it, so you might as well make them all the same to be on the safe side. That was the screen size. Here's the PMP player. Its volume. Let's do a simple game. PMP first. Got it? Here it is. Oh, wait. That was the sound comparison and screen comparison between the PMP player. Now here's the PSP 1000. We'll boot up a game for the hell of it. There we go. Now we're talking. Damn right. Woo! I like that cute camera right there. You can actually adjust it, see? To the non-brightness and highlighting contrast in case you're in a low lighting area. And it also rotates, see? Which this one cannot do, of course. Right here. Set that to the side. Yep, we'll set that around here, right here. Right there. Perfect. Cool. Let's see what we got here. Intro. Credits. There's Ukes again. Frick it. Oh wait, mute it. The sound. Looks like we gotta pick a music video for this one, because of sounding. Of course, you did not hear that, y'all. Don't copyright me. That was an accident. We're gonna do a different sound test between my music. Deal? So don't do that. Please. Thank you. I'm going to do my new song single by Lullaby. It's called Lullaby. Here it is. What's that? I said my cousin. Here it is. That was the sample part. That's a cool background. We got Puccina, Mudkip, with the camera I took, of course. And last but not least, we got the PS Vita. The most advanced one in sound, screen size, screen saturation and contrast, and of course, durability. I'm not turning the PSP 1000 down, but this other thing right here is a piece of crap. but we're still keeping it for reference, comparison's sakes, and for music and videoing. Well, luckily it comes with a camera, which the PSP all 1000 through PSP Go don't come with. Only the PS Vita and PS Vita Slim. And that's why we're going to do this. We're going to not do any of this. I think you all know the sound effects is. But just for comparison's sake, I'm going to show you some photos. Good photos. So don't copyright me. But here's the camera on this one. That's the other comparison we're doing. Yep, that was me on this one. Now we're going to do gallery for the other comparison's sake. Oh, you didn't see those. Oh, here's a cool one. Moo! Hey, there it is again. Wait, am I seeing double? Oh well, who gives a crap? There's a PSP 1000 with the case I had to redesign because it wasn't meant for the 1000. It was meant for the 2001 and 3001 of the PSP models, which sucks. Oh, Wipeout. That was a really suckish comparison between the one I did, because I couldn't have 4 arms, could I now? Oh well, next. That was just a few pictures. Now we're going to do the one on here. Looks, gotta reboot it again. The one on here, I mean, yeah. So here we go. Here it is. Or where? There it is! Whoop, there it is! Finally! Usually it just comes up. This thing's getting old. This. You already seen that camera. That was really good quality. Now we're gonna do this camera on the other side. This camera. Looks like my phone battery's about to die. Anyway, here's the thickness. You can see that the PSP 1000 is the thickest. Then the PS Vita Slim and the MP5 player / PMP player. Anyway, that means for the thickness, PSP 1000 wins. For the thinness, the PMP / MP5 player wins. But it's cheaper, plasticky. So I think you should get the PS Vita Slim right now. For our sales sake, that is. But yeah, anyway, thanks for talking to you. Hope you like, subscribe, and leave a good comment down below. And don't forget to rate in a good way. Thank you, and I'll review more of these good products. Thank you. Alright. Bye. See ya. Peace.